Welcome, dear learners. Welcome to the lecture series on financial management. Dear learners, in the last session, we have understood the concept of net present value. It's the computation procedure, the steps in computation of NPV, and also the formula and the decision criteria in case of independent and dependent project. So, today we'll take up a problem on net present value method. So, dear learners, before you look into the problem, I request you to go through the NPV concept session. So, you need to first understand the concept of NPV and then look into problem. So, you need to first understand the concept of NPV. So, I request you to go through the concept of NPV in the previous session and look into this problem. Now, the question here, XYZ company is considering the following project P. So, a company is considering a project P. So, that means it is only one project, that is a independent project. Now, here the project's life is 3 years. So, 0, 1, 2, 3 number of years, the project life is 3 years. They have given the cash inflows. The cash inflows are 25,000, 5,000, 5,000, 25, 640. So these are the cash inflows, and calculate NPV of project P assuming cost of capital 10%. So let us look into the computation procedure. Now in the previous session I have given you some steps to calculate, or the steps involved in computation of NPV. So we have namely 3 steps. The step number 1 is calculation of present value of cash inflows. Step number 2 is calculation of present value of cash outflows, and then step number 3 is calculation of net present value. So let us quickly get into the problem. So here as I said, the step number 1 will be calculation of present value of cash inflows. So how to do? See the cash inflows. So here the project's life is for 3 years. So this 0th year is considered to be the cash outflows, that is investment period. So I have decorated a table with 3 years CFAT, cash inflows. So the first year it is 5,000, second year it is 5,000, third year it is 25,640. Okay, so this is what. So and now for this I have used a table value. So you need to look into that A3 table values. So this is A3 table value. So you need to look into A3 table values at see here it is 10%. So the cost of capital is 10%. So you need to look into this table values 10% A3 table. So I can see here 10% A3 table for 3 years, 0.90, 0.826 and 0.751. So the same thing we will be using in the table. So see 0.90, 0.826 and 0.751. Okay. Next is present value of CFAT. So this is A, this is B, C is equals to A into B. If you do, you need to sum up the total, that is the total is termed as present value of CFAT. It is very easy. Now next is the step number 2. As said, the calculation of present value of cash outflows. So always you remember, dear learners, cash outflows time period T is equals to 0. So refer the basic concepts on capital budgeting where we have explained the types of cash flows, the time period, etc. So time period for cash outflows is 0 always, and cash outflow, the total investment is what? 25,000. See, you can see here it is 25,000. So whatever is given in the 0th year is called investment. So here I have took 25,000, and no need to look into the table values. By default for 0th year the present value interest factor in the A3 table is always 1. So by default blindly you can write 1. So the same thing, this is A, this is B, C is equals to A into B. I will total up. So now step number 3. As we know, NPV is equals to PV of CFAT minus PV of CO. So I will take the first step output, present value of CFAT, the second step output, present value of cash outflow. If I deduct, the resultant figure is NPV. NPV is always expressed in positive or negative. This is most important. You need to remember this concept. So you need to express either in positive or negative. So here the NPV is positive. This is how we compute the net present value. Positive in the sense the project can be accepted. So I hope you have understood the problem on net present value and its computation procedure. In case any clarifications you want to make it on it, you can do so by commenting in the comment box. We will be coming up with another session on the same NPV problems. Till then, good day, goodbye.